Want to use GPT 5.6 and Fable 5 without paying for a subscription? This website gives you $5 in free for AI credits every month, and that's enough to try some of the latest AI models completely free. You can also save custom instructions, create memories, and even add skills to make the AI work exactly the way you want. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open any browser and search for v0.app. Open this first website. Now from here, simply click in Sign Up and make a sign up using your Google account. Then you will be dropped into an interface like this. From here, if you can see, we got our $5. To use the latest models, simple click in this drop down, then choose More Models, and here you can see Fable 5, Opus 6, and GPT 5.6 Sol. To generate images, choose this plus and turn on this Generate Image slider. To use skills, click on this, and from here, you can use any ready-to-use skill or add your own skill. To give any instructions, choose this option, and from here you can add any master instructions. Hope this video helps you a lot. If it did, make a subscribe and I will meet you in the next one.